screen. Those tricky 180-degree turns. And du Bénin maintenant. Le passage de l'athlète du Bénin. And also Aaron Bridge from South Africa. I have a funny feeling, because earlier on we saw McRidge struggling with some health issues. I have a funny feeling her bike was on one of those cars, and it triggered a time for her. So, because I definitely did not see the athlete go by there. But going fast right now is Almeida, 33 seconds from Spain. With 2 and a bit laps to go. Yeah, let's make some noise for all the riders here going by. We have Amelia right there. And also rider from Burkina Faso, Dalvin Marie Yameovo. Seconds. Status quo for our leader on the main bunch. Arends there, Mons and Müller. The full team for the Netherlands. Arends 4th last year in Zurich. As Divine Obe for Nigeria goes by. And unfortunately, it will be the end of the road for her. As she is coming up to the time limit possible for the athletes.